Honorable Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Commissioner Central, senior government officials, our corporate partners, the rural women artisans from the 5 provinces as mentioned by the MC, invited guests, our media partners, ladies and gentlemen. Nisamula Vinaka, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, and a very good morning to you all. You can hear from my voice, I'm equally excited as you all are. This is something that we had been planning, and this was shelved because of bad weather, and I'm happy to say we've been blessed with a very wonderful weather, and I'm sure the 2 days of the craft show will prove to be successful for not only the community but the women who have put in months and months of effort to bring in their craft from the provinces mentioned. Once again, indeed delighted to be in your presence to officially open this 2-day of divisional craft show for the Central Division women. It's wonderful to see our mothers, our sisters and our daughters who have truly demonstrated their potential from the various creative and colorful art display for us here this morning. I've been told the preparation started yesterday afternoon, and what we see today has eventuated from the hard work of the ministry, the women and our various partners. Special thanks to our events coordinator Shahana for the effort put in, and team women from the Central Division. To our women present from the provinces, we acknowledge the tremendous efforts you have invested through your participation in this craft show. And to our visitors and our special guests, once again, a very big welcome and thank you for being here with us this morning. This clearly shows that you have the nation's women at heart. And if I may reiterate the message that our Reverend gave us this morning, women are very special, mothers are very special, girls are very special, and when we advocate for women's rights, it's not a matter of power play. It's not women trying to be overpower the men of the communities, basically given the rights that we women truly deserve. And seeing the men present here this morning, and I'm sure many more will come to go through the booths today and tomorrow, a simple message for the men: we want to be part of you. I'm reminded of a very famous Chinese proverb which says, see, I got applause from the nature as well, thank you. I'm reminded of a very famous Chinese saying which says, women hold up half the sky. So give us our share of the sky and we'll be happy with that. And also, if I can endorse the message about violence, that's sort of a very serious issue for us here in Fiji and the Pacific. We have almost every day we have reports of women and girls being subjected to domestic violence. We have children who are subjected to domestic violence, sexual abuse, and it's platform like this that we all need to put our efforts together, where I believe a coordinated effort will assist us to combat the social evil that is plaguing our society. At this juncture, I'm also pleased to inform you that the women of Lao Group will also participate in the divisional craft show, and a team from the Ministry and the Fiji Arts Council will be part of the Commissioner Eastern's tour to the Lao Group today. I would also like to thank our partners, Fiji Arts Council, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Industry and Trade, and who have worked tirelessly with Ministry's divisional heads and staff to organize and achieve the objectives of the divisional craft shows. And I'm proud to say that despite the challenges that we have encountered, we have recorded success so far in the previous 8 craft shows that we have, and as told by the MC, this is the 9th craft show, and this is all a build-up to the national expo that we will be having in October. This year we have taken a different approach to the national expo. We are the winners for the divisional craft shows will be fully sponsored by the ministry to come and participate in the October craft show. Last year, almost all those who registered their interest to be part of the craft show came to display their products at the Suva Expo last year. However, this year, because we are going for quality, we are trying to choose winners and see how best we can have the products qualify for the Fijian emblem. The main reason there is we want our artisan women to gain a higher price for the products that they are going to sell. And it has been a rewarding and a challenging experience for the ministry, together with the colleagues from the Ministry of Industry and Trade, Fiji Arts Council, and the Ministry of Health for the past 3 months, basically in assisting those women to qualify for their products in order to give it quality and link them to the markets. Today's event, like I said, marks the 9th Divisional Craft Show that has been organized throughout the various divisions, districts and the provinces. A total of 1,770 women from 440 women's group have so far participated in this year's divisional craft shows, and so far 409 women have been identified to participate in the National Expo in October 2015. These women who have qualified have met the quality assessment criteria to qualify for the Fijian emblem. Our target for this year's Expo is 600 women, and the event here today will provide an opportunity to the women present here to showcase their talents and make a mark in the October Women's Expo. I would also like to reiterate the theme. The theme for this year's Expo is connecting women to markets, making it happen. Connecting women to markets will only eventuate when we ensure that products displayed by our rural women are of high quality and meet the demands of the customers and the existing markets. To the women present here and to all those out there, I wish to remind you that the Ministry ensures that relevant and stringent processes are in place so that quality food, items and crafts are produced to meet the market demands. We therefore challenge you to upgrade the quality of your products as we are together in this business of sustaining quality Fijian-made products. Secondly, I would like to state here that the Ministry appreciates and encourages creativity. This does not only improve the quality of your products, but it also makes it unique and appealing to your customers. Furthermore, we take note of the designs of your products which add value to your products as well. The usefulness of your product is another important factor, and hence we consider the practical use of the products that you sell. And ladies and gentlemen, after carefully scrutinizing the displayed products according to the factors that I have just mentioned, our expert assessors and partners, which is the Fiji Arts Council and the Ministry of Health, will recommend to us the names of the groups and individuals who deserve to participate in October. The Ministry is doing its best to generate avenues to take income-generating initiatives from one level to another. We are not only making monetary investments, but also engaging in partnership with relevant stakeholders to help the women stamp their mark in the food and craft industry. I would also like to expound on your roles as development agents in the community. It is one where the women, your income will not only benefit you and your families, but will specially assist in the development of communities. I've said it again and again and again. Women hold up half the sky, but in Fiji, women make half the population of Fiji. And as such, we have to make a significant contribution to our economy. However, at this stage, the contribution of women is undervalued towards the national economy. And this initiative through the Ministry, in partnership with various stakeholders, is there to set you towards formal entrepreneurship as a way of bringing to light your contributions to the nation. So therefore, ladies, I stress you to make the most of the opportunities that we provide to you. And with these words, I know our guests and everybody is excited to get into motion, to see the various crafts that have been displayed. Actually, I'm excited to see. And on this note, if I can thank you all once again for being here with us, and we look forward to seeing you again tomorrow till the end of the craft show. And the women, I hope most of you qualify. There are 600 spots. So may the best artisan come to the National Expo in October. But if you do not make it, that should not discourage you. We will be there to support you throughout the way. So on this note, once again, thank you very much for coming, and please enjoy the rest of the day.